Good evening, guys. So let us start today a new concept, that is reading data from user. Reading data from user, guys. This is the new topic today. Means how to read the data from user. How to read the data from user. The data from user, right? Generally, what is the use of reading the data from user, right? I'll give an example. I'll give an example. See, for example, if we want to register or if you want to create an account in the Facebook, then what we do, open Facebook registration page, right? Registration page, and then in the registration page we have some input boxes, first name, last name, right? Then username, right? And password, okay? And something like confirm password, and mail id, right? Mail id, and also something like a mobile number or date of birth, right? Gender. Once all over, at the end there is an option called register or sign up and cancel, right? All of you observe, this is what here Facebook. This is Facebook, okay? Facebook registration form, guys, or Facebook sign up form. Facebook sign up form, guys. Facebook sign up form. A registration page, right? So here, this is what now. This is the first name, right? This is first name, last name, all. I am giving the values, guys. Now first name I am giving suppose Python, right? And I am giving the last name as Narayana, okay? Right. So first name, last name over, and then I'll take here. Suppose username is Python Narayana. Okay, Python Narayana username, and I'm giving password. Suppose 1 2 3 4 5 A B C D, something like that. All of, right, and also I'm giving the confirm password same as it is, and data some mail ID Python at some gmail.com, guys, or Python Narayana at gmail.com. I am giving some mail ID also. Some mail ID, okay? I am giving the mail ID also, guys, here, right? And I am giving some mobile number like 90106070 and 10. And finally, these are the buttons. The first button name is, I'll take as a, suppose sign up button, first button name, and second button name is I'll take as a something cancel or reset, like this, right? So this is the button. This is the registration form. This is the Facebook registration form. Okay. Now I given all the data, and as a user, I click sign up button. After giving the data, I click what here, sign up button. Okay. If I click the sign up button, then generally internally what will happen is the main concept that is called background logics, back end part, guys. So this is what here front end, right? Front end means what? It's a part which is visible to user, front end. I am giving the data, click sign up button. Then generally what happens? Generally we know one thing is the data will save in the database. That is what we know. The data save in the database in the table. That's what we know. Once data saved there successfully, you get a notification that your account is created successfully. But how the data, okay, as a save in the database, right? That's the concept here. How this all the values, how these all values saved in the database table, okay? So here in the database, this is the database, okay? This is the database table. Let's take the table, okay? It's a table, guys. The database and table is there, so in the table also, first field about suppose first name, for example, I am taking here. Then last about last name. Then username, okay. And next one password and confirm password. Okay, and email at last I'm taking suppose mobile. Just imagine like this. Okay, right. So whenever I submit, click the submit button. Submit. This is called submit button. Then this all data save in the database. How? Right now our concept comes into picture. Our concept will come into picture. What is that picture here? Reading data from user, guys. All of you. What the concept name? Reading data from where? Data from the user. Reading data from user. Yes. Now let us see. So user means this data giving by whom? User, right? This all data giving by whom? User only. Okay. So here generally, see, maybe different ways are there, guys. Different ways are there. Out of all the ways, one basic way is creating okay, variables, guys. First of all, how many values user giving? Let's take for example here he is giving 7 values. Then we create 7 variables first. We create what here? 7 variables. Just observe now. This is the one of the ways. Multiple ways are there. This is the one of the ways. Okay, to assign the data and save in the table. First, what we do? Create 7 variables. Just I am taking like this here. 7 variables are created, and for every variable, we give some name. We give the name of the variable is something f name. Okay, then l name. Okay, and next suppose u name, username, right? And this is what here password and confirm password, right? Confirm password, and here this is what like suppose email, and this is mobile. Like this we have. Okay, which one? These are the variable names. These all are the variables names. All of you. These are which one? Variables names. Variables names. Okay, right. So now our program must take the value from the first input box and assign to variable. All of you observe now. Our program should take the value from this input box. In the box you give the value, right? That value must be taken and assigned to one variable. Same again, input box is there. Here also from there take the value, assigned to variable. Again it also same. Take the value, assigned to variable. Again take the value, assigned to variable, and take the value from this input box, assigned to variable, and same here, assigned to variable, and then here also take the value from the input box, assigned to variable. That's all. Now these all variables are assigned these values, and this is the first step over. This is what here first step over. Second step is these variables we assign to, we map with columns. How to map, sir? That is logic, guys. Okay, this I am saying overall flow, but when we do, an application by using our framework Django, this you can see very easily. Or Python also we can do this type of things. I show you in the advanced Python. In Python also, how to take the implementing an application like this, and taking the values from the application and assign to table, guys. That we see in advanced Python also. Okay, just I am giving overall view to know about reading the data from user, right? And assigning here, and password also assigned to this password column. Like this, we have to map the columns with the corresponding, the variables with the corresponding columns. We have to map like this. We have to map. This is called business logics, right? Now second step also over. This is what second step. Now our concept is only first step, only this step, guys. Right now this step means taking the data from user, assigned to one variable. All of you observe. What's the concept name now? What's the first part here? Taking the data from user, and assign to variable. This is what we're going to do now. All of you let me know. Are you clear, guys, now what I'm going to do now? All of you let me know. Are you clear now what I'm going to do? So taking the data from user and assign to variable like this. take data from user, assign to variable, guys. Assign to variable. Right, all of you guys are clear now this one? Abhishek, Vijay Lakshmi. If you clear this concept, guys, now practically I show you just how to take the data from user. Riyaz. Right. Now let us see the first concept, guys. Which one? Just we ask user enter any value or enter our first name, enter our first name, enter our last name, enter email ID or username. We ask user, he gives, take the value, assign to one variable. That's what our concept now. That's what our concept. Okay. Right. Very good. Now for this one, I am going to open our IDLE. IDLE. Right. Now we have a one question, guys. What is the full form of IDLE? All of you. What is the full form of IDLE? IDLE stands for what? IDLE stands for what? All of you. You reply. IDLE stands for what? The chat box. Everybody give reply. IDLE stands for what? Muhammad Riaz, integrated development and the learning environments are okay. Very good. Jnaswar, integrated development and the learning environment. Yes, yes, very good. Vijay Kumar, Vijay Kumar, yes, very good. Fine. I'll open this one now. I'll open this one. Okay, right. So now I'm going to ask user enter your name. Okay, all of you observe now. See, I am going to take the data from user by using input function. Which function? Input function, guys. Now I am giving here enter your name or enter your first name. That's all, right? So whatever he is giving first name, that name taken by input function and then assigned to one variable called suppose f name variable. F name variable. The variable name is our choice. The variable name is our choice. Okay, right. Now, sorry, f name, right? Okay, f name. Now, sorry, guys. Right. So enter your first name. Now, as a user, I am giving a first name is for example Python. All of you observe now. What I am giving now? What I am giving as a user, I am giving my first name is what here? See, I am asking user enter your first name. Now the user will give which one? Some name, right? Some name. Now, whenever click submit button at that time or enter here, in this case enter, this value, all of you, this value, user value first, taking by which one? Input function, guys. First of all, which function? Input function. All of you observe input function, and then assigned to what here? Assigned to variable. That means finally this value, this user value assigned to f name variable. Okay, f name variable. Just observe now. Click enter. Yes. Now for checking purpose, display the value of variable by using f name. Yes, value is there. What is the type here? Type is type of f name. Which type is there? String type. Why string type? He is giving the user giving the string value. So string type is there. Very good. So print means display the value. Type means display the type of the variable. Very good. Now, so I am taking the which one? String value from user, right? String value. We have the 5 types of values generally: integer value, float value, bool value, complex value, string value, right? Now I ask user enter your suppose something like marks, for example, guys. Let us know marks. Enter your marks or any number, all of you. Already taking the string value over, right? Reading the string value over. Now let us read some other type of value. Here also assigned which variable? Marks variable. All of you guys concentrate here, right? Marks variable. Now user giving the marks 90 and click enter. Whenever I click enter here, immediately that 90 marks is taking by which one input function, guys, and assign to what now? Assign to variable marks. Finally, that value marks variable. Okay, so now observe here. Print of marks. Marks 90. Then type of marks. Let me know what is the type of the marks. Type of the marks. All of you, what is the type of the marks, guys? What is the type of the marks? All of you guys, you reply. What is the type of the marks? Is it into value, into type, float type, bool type, string type, okay, or a complex type? Which type of value? Which type of value? All of you guys, you reply integer, right? Abhishek and Janeswar, right? Joshi, Vijay Kumar, right? You are saying the into type, right? Into type. Why in type? Because integer value given, right? Yes, very good, perfect. Okay, but if run this one, it displays a string. Displays what? A string. Why strings are? Actually, the user given which value? Integer value. 90 is the 90 which value, guys? Integer, right? 90 integer value. But what came now? What came here? String came. If you have doubt, I'll open one more ideally. One more ideally. All of you observe here. All of you observe. Suppose I'm giving normally. Normally I'm giving a marks equal to 90. I'm giving directly here, guys. Directly I'm giving. Observe now. Then so print of marks what here? Print of marks. Okay. Then type of marks what here? Type of marks integer, right? It is integer, guys. It is integer, but it displaying here stringer. All of you, if you observe clearly, all of you, okay. If you observe here, it is integer displaying. When I give the value directly, it displaying the correct type only, proper type only. But when I'm taking the value through input function, the type is changing. The type is changing. All of right. All of you guys, am I right or wrong? All of you observe here. Right. All of you can observe now. When I give the value directly to variable, it's giving the correct type only. As per the type, as per the value only giving the type, okay. But here, when I give the value through input function, the type is changing, right? The type is changing and displaying the string. Displaying the string. Why? Why it is happening like this? Because all of you observe here. The reason is the input function always reads data in the string type only. Which type? String type only, guys. All of you can observe here. Okay. So what I'm saying here, what I'm saying now, the input function always reads data which type? In the string type only. That means whatever I am giving here, whatever I am giving, that is taken by what? First of all, that is taken by input only, guys. First input, but it is taken through string format. String means what? Within the quotes like this. That is the nature of the input function, guys. Nature of the input function. Now in the marks, all of you, now integer value is assigning a, or else the string value assigning a. All of you observe here. All of you observe now. In the marks variable, which value is saving? Integer 90. Integer 90 is saving directly here, or else the into 90 converting as a string 90, and the string 90 saving here, assigning. All of let me know. All of let me know which type of value assigning here. Which type of value assigned to variable? Integer type value na or string type value na? String type value na. All of you guys good apply. All of you. Which type? String type value. The string type value assigning not the integer value. Why? The integer value converting as a string, then assigning guys. Assigning. Okay, sir. Now integer giving. Okay. Now let me try different type of value. I take the same input guys. Click enter. That line copy and paste in the current line. Okay. I am giving now my marks 90.5. 90.5. 90.5 means which type of data that one? Which type of data guys? Let me know. 90.5 means is it integer value or float value? Inter float. 90.5 means inter float. All of you guys go reply. 90.5 is it a integer value or a float value? It is float value. It is the which value? Float. Okay, float value guys. Okay, now I am going to take here print of marks. Print of marks. Okay, print of marks. Okay, then type of marks. Type of marks guys. All of you observe now. I am taking now type of the marks. Type of the marks. Now, what is the type of the marks, guys? What is the type of the marks? Let me know. What is type of the marks? All of you. Type of the marks is what? Is it inter, floater, stringer? Inter, floater, stringer. All of you guys will apply. Which type? All of you guys will apply now. Type of marks is what? It is what here? It is a. All of you guys will apply. Right. This is a string. That means whatever value we give, it takes in the which format? String format only. String format only always. Either you give int value, float value, bool value, complex value, whatever it is, it takes in the string format only. Now we have a doubt. Sir, always string format means any problem or no problem? Yes, there will be a compulsory problem while performing some operations like arithmetic operations, comparison operations, or some assignment operations. Compulsorily, some problems will be there. Right. I show you an example, guys. I show you an example where the problem will occur. I'll show an example. All of you observe here. Now I will try to add two numbers. All of you, I'm trying to adding two numbers. Adding two numbers. All of you observe. Okay, just take two numbers, or else take two numbers and perform addition, guys. Addition operation between two numbers. Adding two numbers. Okay. Now let us try here. I take the first one. Input of enter first number. Enter first number. I assigned one variable called suppose variable a, guys. What's variable name? Variable a. variable a, I am giving the 10. Okay, very good. Next one, I am giving second number also. Enter second number, right? Let's take some b equal to something 20 here. That's all. A value, b value. A value 10, B value 20. Okay, right. Now, the biggest, toughest question is what is the result of A plus B, guys? Assigned to some C, okay? Then what is the C? What is the C, guys? Now tell me here. What is the C value? What is the C value, guys? All of you. What is the C value? What is the C value? Hmm. What is C value? No, the C value is a stringer, or sorry, the C value is a is it like a 10 10 or 20 or 30 or 0 or 10 20 20 10? Yes, the biggest toughest question for us now. What is the answer? What is the answer, guys? 10 or 20 or 30 or 0 or 10 20 20 10? All of you. What is the answer? You reply. No reply coming, guys. No reply coming. Oh, okay. So all saying the answer 10 20, and some are saying answer 30. Some are saying answer 30. Okay, right. Now the answer is 10 20 is the answer. What is the answer? 10 20 is the answer. Now we have a doubt. Sir, 10 plus 20 30, sir. Why 10 20 coming? Generally, 10 plus 20, how much, guys? 30, right? 30. But here, it's giving 10 20. It's giving what here? 10 20. 10 20. Yes. Janeswar, correct. You are right. You are right. Vaishalya, you are also right. Correct. Why? Because all of you observe a simple point, guys. A simple point. I am taking, suppose I am taking here something 100 plus 200. What is the answer? Tell me now, guys. What is the answer here? What is the answer here, right? 300, right? And 300. Okay, this is called which operation? It is called addition. It is called addition, guys. All of you. All of you. Okay, 100 is the number. 200 is the number. Number plus number means which one? 300. This is called what here? Addition. That's called addition. Okay, very good. Very good. Next example, I'll take, for example, something, you know, P, or else normally x plus y. What is the answer now? X plus y. What is the answer? All of you guys could reply. You are sitting silently and watching. All of you guys. What is the answer now? X x plus y. X plus y. What is the answer now? Vaishali, XY. Ramakrishna, for your question, I give the answer in 2 minutes. Okay, in 2 minutes on this concept over, I give the reply for your question. Ramakrishna, okay, please wait. Okay, so XY, right? Very good, guys. All giving the answer XY. The answer is the XY. Okay, XY, guys. This is called what here? This is called concatenation. This is called what here? Concatenation. That means if I use the plus between two numbers, that is called addition. If I use the plus between two strings, is called concatenation. That is called concatenation. All of you observe what I am saying here. Addition means what here? Addition means Okay, using plus between what here, between two numbers, between two, okay, two numbers guys, two numbers. And concatenation means what here, using plus between two string values, two strings. Okay, two strings guys, all of you, two strings, right? Fine. Now now coming to our point here. Here both A and B are numbers or string values. Here both A and B are numbers or strings. Numbers means integers, float anyone. So numbers are strings are both. If you want to check here, if you want to check, you can see now type of A, which type, string type. Type of B, which type again, string type. Both are strings. Both are strings. Yesterday I told you one point. If you remember, for variables, ideally print is not required. Print is optional. Okay, so now the same variable A, I am going to print without see. If I take the print A guys, print A, 10 coming. Take the only A. Now the actual data will come. See now. 10 which format is there guys? Tell me now. 10 which format is there? String or integer format? In A, this is what here, string value. Means the A is the string, right? A is the string. Now let's take the print B 20. That means only B, which one, 20. That means both tens are having the quotes. That means it is like 10 plus which one here, 20. Working like this. The answer is what now? 10, 20 is the answer. And this is called what here? This is called concatenation. Why? Because both are strings now. Both are strings. Both are strings. All of you. Both are strings. See, the C also same guys. The C also 10 to right. What is the C result? C. See, print to C, right? Only C. Which one? C here. Result also contains quotes. Quotes are there. Quotes are there. That's why the result is what, all of you? What result coming here? 10, 20. Why 10, 10 coming here? Because both are string values. Both are string values. That's why result is 10, 20 coming guys. But I want output 30 sir, because I am giving 10, I am giving 20, I want output 30 sir. Then we had convert the types guys, types of variables into to float, string to int, string to float, like that. We convert the data types. We have to convert the data types. Right now, all of let me know guys. All of let me know. Till now, all of you, everybody is clear. Till now, all of let me know. All of let me know. Everybody is clear, right? All of you guys. Till now, everybody is clear. So taking the input means taking the data in the string format, right? Input means what? Taking the data which format? A string format. Either you are giving a int value, float value, any value, string format. I'm trying addition. I'm trying to perform the addition. Then performing what here? Concatenation. Why concatenation? Because both are which values? Both are string values. Both are string values. Okay, all of you, right? Now to perform the addition, we have to convert the data type. That is the next concept, guys. That is the next concept. But here I want to tell you one more point, guys. I want to tell you one more point. All of you. Okay. Right. So here, what I want to do now, see in Python, all of yesterday I used one word, that is Python is the dynamically typed language. Do you remember? Python is the dynamically typed language. Yesterday I used one word, Python is Dynamically typed language. Do you remember? Or I forgot, guys. All of you. Python is a dynamically typed language. Right. Okay. So why dynamical type language? Because the same variable allows all types of values, right? A equal to 10 or equal to 10.5 float value, or variable same variable equal to some bool value, right? Or same variable equal to something like this. It allows or equal to something Python like this. It allows all types of values. The same variable, okay, allows all types of values, because here we don't need to declare variable type. We don't declare variable type manually. It declares automatically when our program executing. All of you, right? So that's why it's called what? Dynamically typed language. Typed language. Okay, right. Now let us see one more word, guys. Now let us see one more word today, one new word today, that is observe here. All of observe, we have a big question now. We have a big question. See, in Python, 10 plus 20, 10 plus 10 plus 20 means this is what 30 normally. This is called what here? Addition, right? Addition, guys. Okay, very good. So means if I use plus between two numbers, that is called what? Addition. Okay. I am using the plus between two strings. Between two strings, guys. Let's see now. Let's see now. Between two strings. Then this is what here. Tell me now. This is what here. Concatenation. Also okay. It's also okay. No problem. But now my question is, can I use plus between one number, one string? Is it possible or not possible, sir? In Python, can we use a plus between one number and one string, and one string, and one string? Is it possible or not possible, guys? All of you. Give reply, guys. Dhyaneswar, type error will come, sir. Okay. Any other guys? All of you guys give reply. All of you guys give reply. All of you give reply. Okay, so my point is, does it give output? I know, like 10A, or else it gives output error in Python. In Python, if you perform this operation, it gives output 10A na, or else error. Ramakrishna, possible, sir. Abhishek, possible. Possible means your meaning is answer 10A, right? Okay. Muhammad Riaz, don't know, sir. Okay, very good. I explained. Don't worry. Right? Joshi, okay, conversion, okay, but without any conversions, I am asking. Joshi, your point is if you convert into a string, possible, sir, okay. But I am asking that without conversion, one integer value, one string value. One integer, one string value. Okay, so many are saying that possible, sir, answer 10A, 10A, 10A. Okay, very good. See, any language which is giving answer 10A, 10A, that is a weak language, guys. Which language is a weak language? Any language which is giving the answer error, that is called strong language. Which language is a strongly typed, and here weakly typed, guys. All of you. If any language giving output 10A, that is called a weak language, very weak language. If any language giving output error, that's called a strong language. Strong language. Now, my question is, our Python is a weak language or strong language? Or Python is it weak or strong? Weak or strong? Guys, all of you know. So if you say Python is weak, sir, means output is 10A. We agree. If you say Python strong, sir, means output is error. Output is a error. All of you guys let me know. Python, do you think that Python weak language or strong language? Because some are giving the answer 10A. 10A, I show you no practical, don't worry. I show you no practical, don't worry. But do you think that Python is weak language, strong language? Right, Aditya? Strong language, sir. Dyaneswar, strong. Vaishali, strong. Okay. Muhammad Riyaz, strong. All giving the answer strong, strong, strong. When you give answer strong, then why giving the answer 10A? We are saying the Python is stronger, then why you are giving the answer 10A? Answer must be error in Python. In Python, answer must be error, guys. Must be error. Okay. I'll show you now. I'll show you now. Just observe here, guys. Just observe. I will take one by one. So first I'm taking now 10 plus 20. What's the answer now? 30. Okay, both numbers A plus B. AB, both strings are no problem. Now 10 plus A, 10 plus A, error will come. Error will come. 10 plus A. That's why Python is what here? Strong language, sir. Strongly typed language. So Python is a strongly typed language because it does not allow a plus operator between one integer or one number and one string value. One string value. So finally, all of you, finally Python is what? Tell me now. Finally, okay. So Python is okay, dynamically typed and strongly typed language. That is the final point about the which one dynamic and strong. All of you are clear now. Python is what? A dynamic language. Because of which reason? Because of this reason. And Python is strong language because of this. See, multiple reasons are there, guys. This is one of the reasons. Python is a dynamic. Multiple reasons are there. One of those is this is the reason why we don't need declaring a data type before value is giving. And the strong type language, why? Because it does not allow which one plus between a number and one string. All of you, right? Now we have a doubt, sir. What about Java, sir? Right, I show you for that one picture, guys. For all the languages, all of you observe here. So dynamically typed and statical type language, yes. Just guys observe now. Yes. Now all of you observe. Now you can observe, guys, now. Just observe this one. All of you just observe this one here. What are the strong, what are the weak, what are the dynamic, and what are the static? What are the static, guys? All of you. Right? See, this is what here. This is what all of you know. This is what here. This is the which one dynamic. This is what here strong. This is the strong, right? It means this area belongs to dynamic and strong, guys. Okay, dynamic and also strong. Okay, so Python is dynamic and strong, guys. Okay, but Java is what here? Tell me now. See, Java, C sharp means .NET, guys. .NET and Java. See, it's also strong. It's also strong. That means in Java, guys, or C sharp, they also don't allow. The answer is 10A. They also give the error, guys. They also give the error. But in C language, it's possible. All of you. In C language, it is possible. What is possible in C language? In C language, 10 plus A, the answer is 10A. In C language, C++ possible, that one. Why? They are weak languages, right? They are weak languages. And all of general, I am talking about first of all strong and weak. So what are the strong? Python strong, .NET strong, C sharp, Java strong. Means those three languages, okay, don't allow a plus between 10 number and string, guys. Number and string. And coming to here, the C++, JavaScript, PHP, they are the weak languages. They are weak languages. Why? Because this both yellow, which one 10 plus A, answer, which one 10A, both yellow. Means JavaScript allows, PHP allows, and C allows, C++ allows. But Python, Ruby, C Sharp, Java don't allow. Okay, so Java also strong language, guys. Like Python, Java also strong language. Strong language, okay. All of you. Coming to static and dynamic, guys. Coming to static and dynamic. Python dynamic, right? Python dynamic, Ruby dynamic, and here JavaScript, PHP dynamic. Why dynamic? In these languages, we don't need to declare the type of the variable. Directly give the value. Directly I am giving the value, guys. Directly I am giving all types of values like that. All of you, okay? It's possible like this. Directly giving all types of values possible like this. Which languages in Python, in Ruby, in JavaScript, JavaScript and PHP. But see here, C Sharp, Java, C++. Those all are static languages. That means in these languages, which one? C++, Java, and the C Sharp means .NET, guys. Okay. In all these languages, we have to compulsorily define the type, guys, into A. Then A value compulsorily 10 only, or A value compulsorily 20 only, A value compulsorily suppose some 100 only, like that. We have to give the values, not other values. Suppose if I give A equal to suppose X, it will throw error now. It will throw error, guys. It will throw error. Where in C, Java, .NET. This is mandatory. Declaring type is mandatory. But in Python, in JavaScript, in Ruby, in PHP, okay, declaring the type is not mandatory, not required, no need. That's all. No need. All of you. Are clear now, guys? What are the strong languages? What are the weak languages? What are the dynamic? What are the static? What are the static? All of you. Let me know. Let me know. Are clear this one now? All of you guys. Okay. Right. That's fine. You can see anywhere, guys. Anywhere, all same only. No one gives wrong input, right? You can see here also same thing. If you observe here also, what are the weak here? Same. JavaScript weak, C++ weak. Okay. And what are the dynamic? Python dynamic and this dynamic here. What are the static? Java static and the C++ static again here. Right? So fine, guys, all of you. So I hope all of you understood today's concept. Today's concept is what? Reading data from user.